Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Al Taj from Fourth Dimension System. Today we will talk about how we can load people from Active Directory to Remedy ITSM. Firstly, I will need to show you the load people form, how many users I have inside it, no match found, qualification that's mean, no user inside it, or also we can come here, say TSM, okay, I need load people form, new search, nothing I have. Okay, and inside Active Directory I have around 9 user. How I can know? I will open Active Directory, my Active Directory, to show you how many user I have. Okay, inside the user I have this account for user, but this is not real user. Some of them real user and other one not user. Like I can see that from this tab: user, security group, security group, security group, security group, user. Can make it like this to calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 users inside my Active Directory, and inside my ITSM there is no user. How I can import my user inside my user from Active Directory to ITSM load people form using the integration spoon tools. Firstly, I will log in to the integration spoon tools. After that, I will go to open. I will see list of my transaction and job. By the way, this is the default job and transaction built from BMC by default. That's why I will go to LDAP. I will find two for LDAP. LDAP people transaction, transformation, and LDAP people job. Firstly, I will work with LDAP user transformation. I will go to the first stage. Here I must fill all of my Active Directory information. In the host, I will mention localhost because my Active Directory inside the same server or same virtual machine with ITSM, and I will mention the port, default port 389, protocol LDAP, and for authentication, I will mention my user and password. Then I will test connection, connecting to LDAP server. It's okay. In the search, I will give him some criteria to filter. I need only user. That's mean don't put everything in my ITSM. Just I need to put or just I need to import only user type. In the content, I will be I will take it as it is, left it as it is, and inside the field I can see all field inside the Active Directory with all types. Okay, I will press OK. In the manage lookup, I need also to fill my Active Directory information. In the search, just leave it as it is. Content, same thing. Field, I will mention I need login, manage login. It's same account name. That's mean the login to the Active Directory, same account name without any restriction. I'll press OK also. DMT, left it as it is, don't press it. In the output also, you can mention here in duplicate manage machine. You need to mention that login ID to the remedy equals same account name. That's mean to log in the remedy, you must use same account name. Same account name. Same account name, it's the attribute using to log in on the Active Directory. Now we can get the login from Active Directory and use it in the ITSM. I need to press OK and OK. In this stage, add consistency. That means here I will mention the default value. Some information or some attribute is a required field inside the ITSM in the load people form. I need to give him or parse some value to it. As example, I parse site, I parse phone number, I parse company, VIB, anything mandatory inside that field, you can parse it here. And also you can left it as it is. Just here in the mapping inside field, I need to mention something not here, field here, go to the field, also no, not here, in the output field mapping, yes, here. In the output field mapping, here you can map the field between Active Directory and login. As example, I need to map manager inside the Active Directory with any attribute inside the load people form. As example, manager login ID. Okay, and we will mention here. Okay. I need to run now this transmission to see what's the effect. Run and launch. As you see here in the output, 9 user, 9 record. He read from Active Directory 9 record and write 9 record in the load people form, and in the output to the load people form it's 9. To confirm that, just here in the CTM load people form, and you search, we will get our user. As you see, we get 9 results, 9 row. That means we get 9 users. Okay, just I need to see this ITSM last name Al Taj, first name ITSM. Okay, login ID is ITSM. Email ITSM at testing. All attribute I mentioned in the Active Directory. I need to make update in the Active Directory and rerun this transmission to see if this update will be reflect on ITSM or not. This is ITSM user. I need to edit it. Okay. Last name not Al Taj. I need to mention BMC video test in the last name, and in the key address count portfolio and telephone organization. In the manager, I need to mention, as example, Muhammad as a manager to this ITSM, and we need to see this update in our ITSM or in our load people form. Came back to the transmission, rerun. Okay, it's completed. Came back to here, new search, search. Where's the ITSM? See, the ITSM last name change. Yes, last name BMC test people form, and need to check where's the manager name, manager ID. That found the manager ID where, but it's not problem for us. Okay, like let us go to the next test. I need to add a new user inside my Active Directory and rerun the transmission. Now we have 9 user only. Create a new user, the Active Directory. As example, demo, demo, uh, and the last name is YouTube. Just this is for test, and the email for this user, demo underscore next. User cannot be changed. طيب, I need to mention this password for going to change this option. Next, finish. We are created. We need to relaunch the transmission. See the result going to 10, before is 9, and return back to our system. A new search, and search. It's 10 record here, and we can't find the last record here. Yes. Just one final note, why this user going to load people form. We can change the form from here. You can see all form. If you want, can load the data from Active Directory and put it in which form you want. Maybe if you want to take it directly to people form, you can use this form, but we are prefer to load it to load people form, then check the user if this user need to update some attribute or some information. After that, load it again to the Active Directory. Sorry, to the people form. Thank you for watching, and please, if you have any question, write it in the description. Thank you. Bye bye. Salam.